What's up guys, in this video we will be talking about the cryptocurrency wallets. Now some of these might be familiar to you already, but some might be something new. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so let's start off this discussion with MetaMask. Now almost all cryptocurrency enthusiasts already know about this one, and some of the reasons why is because it's easy to use, it is secure, and it is Ethereum compatible. Now it is also a decentralized trading platform that is accessible with the MetaMask wallet integration. If you are a cryptocurrency enthusiast guys, you know that keeping your digital assets secure is a top priority. Now this is something that is really common. One thing's good about this website is that you could toggle the brightness. I am a dark mode type of guy. I don't want, bright white light. It hurts my eyes too much. In addition to what I have mentioned earlier guys, it is actually very user friendly. It's easy to add tokens there. It's easy to swap, and all of the things that you need to do like transfer, receive, and all that, it's very straightforward. So that is MetaMask guys. It's easy to use. The interface is very straightforward. So if you are looking for a cryptocurrency wallet, this is something that you can go ahead and check out. Link to this will be in the description of the video, metamask.io. Alright, the next one in line is the Phantom wallet. So the Phantom cryptocurrency wallet guys is perfect solution for securing your digital assets. Primarily for me, I use Phantom for my Solana tokens. All right, so that is what I use this one, but there are still a lot of different blockchain networks that it also supports. The top-notch security of Phantom is one of the main reasons why this is actually one of the most famous cryptocurrency wallets out there. It is also easy to use. It's very intuitive. You could also do all the transactions that you need to do, like send cryptocurrency, swap cryptocurrency, receive cryptocurrency from other people that are sending it to you. This is something that I would suggest that you go ahead and check out. Now, if you're looking for a reliable cryptocurrency wallet that offers a top-notch security features along with the ease of use, then Phantom cryptocurrency wallet is something that you really need to take note of. And go ahead and check them out, www.phantom.app. Link to this will also be in the description of the video guys. Now next in line, this is something that you might not have heard of yet. This is the Rabbi cryptocurrency wallet, and it offers a variety of platforms for your convenience. It is also a multi-platform support, so it has a lot of different blockchain networks that it can support, not just the usual Binance, the Ethereum, and all that. So you can go ahead and check them out as well. Some of the features that I feel are very outstanding about this Rabbi cryptocurrency wallet is that it's easy to use. It's secure, just like the other wallets that I mentioned. It's just that this is something that is not in the mainstream yet, but this is something that you need to also go ahead and check out. So lots of digital assets management. You can go ahead and check that one out. The user interface is also straightforward. One thing I've noticed about cryptocurrency wallets nowadays is that it's very easy to use, and most of the things that you need to do like send, receive, swap, and all that are integrated in the wallet already. And one thing that I also want to mention, this is the next one guys that we will be talking about, the Coinbase cryptocurrency wallet. One thing that I really love about Coinbase guys is that it supports almost all of the cryptocurrency tokens out there. So whether you're looking for Bitcoin, you have Ethereum, or any other popular cryptocurrency tokens out there. And just like what I mentioned earlier guys, in addition to the traditional cryptocurrencies, this wallet also stores your NFT, which is perfect for those of you that are collecting NFTs, you are trading NFTs and all that. This is something, the wallet for Coinbase is something that you really need to go ahead and check out. And this Coinbase cryptocurrency wallet is actually designed with convenience and security in mind, of course. Just like any other wallet out there, its primary feature is security. All right, so for multiple tokens and NFTs as well, this is the go-to choice that you need to go ahead and check out. And of course, stay until the end screen videos, guys. I'm sure those videos will be beneficial for you in your cryptocurrency journey. And if you're new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.